Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options, swipe down to turn off your phone. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down instead. And when you start to see the Realme logo on a screen, let go of the power button. From here, select your desired language, and that's our recovery mode. Now it only really consists of one usable feature, which is the format data, aka factory reset. Now other two options are just two different ways of leaving this mode, either rebooting the device, which brings you back to Android, or just straight up turning it off. I'm gonna select the middle one, which will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.